Is it possible for a gantry system function in adverse, humid environments without lubrication? Everything will accelerate to rust under harsh environment unless special attentions are given, such as constant lubrication of the whole systems, or special alloys or stainless steel materials are used, but it will be very expensive. In such a situation, is it still feasible to have a good and corrosion-free automated system? Is it even possible? Automating a 10-meter long gantry system at a possible temperature of up to 50 degrees Celsius with a humidity level of about 95% is no joke. Our customer, Natatech, was facing with no solution for this project, and it was a very difficult system to build, but we have managed to solve their problem. Yes, introducing our Drylin XYZ gantry system used in greenhouse for a special project. Our low-cost automation team has changed everything. Zero lubrication, requires no maintenance during service life, long service life, corrosion-free, resistant to harsh environment. And most of all, we are able to come up with a customized solution to suit your application and materialize it within a short period of time. With no solution to a good solution, nothing is impossible. Do you want to have more information? Please click the link. Feel free to contact us for a discussion and consultation. Thank you.